皆さんこんにちは、佐藤です。Today we are going to learn this grammar. Noun 1 no Noun 2. では始めましょう。Let's get this started. Let's check some vocabulary for today's lesson. 友達、友達、friend。名前、名前、name。大学、大学、university or college。日本語、日本語、Japanese language。日本 means Japan, and when we add 語 it means Japanese language. So the name of the country plus 語 means the language of that country. Please repeat after me. 友達、名前、大学、日本語。Noun 1 no Noun 2. This no is a particle that connects two nouns. The second noun is the main idea, and the first noun makes the main idea more specific. For example, 私の先生、私 I, and 先生 means teacher. 私の先生。So 先生 is the main idea. But what kind of teacher or whose teacher? We want to make it more specific. 私の先生 means my teacher. Not your teacher, not her teacher. My teacher. 私の先生 means my teacher. You can use this no like the possessive in English. 私の友達。友達。Do you remember what 友達 is? 友達 means friend. 友達 friend is the main idea, and we need to make it more specific. So 私 is the specification. What kind of friend? Whose friend? My friend. 私の友達。My friend. 東京大学の学生。大学 means university. So 東京大学 is Tokyo University. の学生。学生 means student. So 学生 student is the main idea. And what kind of student? Student at which university? So specification is Tokyo University. 東京大学。Student at Tokyo University. 東京大学の学生。日本語の先生。Do you remember what 日本語 is? 日本 Japan plus 語 language Japanese language and 先生 teacher. 先生 is the main idea and 日本語 is specification. So what kind of teacher? Japanese teacher. Teacher of the Japanese language. When you translate it into English, the main idea sometimes comes first and the specification is placed after. So it's opposite. Please remember that in Japanese, main idea is always after the particle no. Some people are confused and swap two nouns and make common mistake. 先生の日本語。So now, 日本語 Japanese language is the main idea. What Japanese language? 先生 is the specification, so 先生の日本語 means Japanese language used or spoken by a teacher or teaches Japanese language. So if you swap two nouns, its meaning will be different. Main idea is noun 2 And noun 1 provides specifications. When you make a sentence, please make sure the main idea is after the particle no. Please translate the phrases or sentences into Japanese using particle no. First one is my teacher. How do you translate it into Japanese? So the main idea is teacher, sensei. What kind of teacher? Whose teacher? 私の先生 my teacher 私の先生 Next one is my name Do you remember how to say name in Japanese? 名前 is the main idea. Whose name? 私の名前 my name 私の名前Next one is, my name is Emma. It's a sentence. So, we have to use X は Y です sentence structure. And then, subject, my name. Name, 名前. Whose name? 私の名前。私の名前は、and then, Emma です。私の名前は Emma です。My name is Emma. Next one. Satomi's friend. Satomi's friend. Friend is the main idea. Whose friend? さとみさんの友達。さとみさんの友達。You can drop suffix さん if Satomi is your close friend. You can just say さとみの友達。Next one. Satomi is my friend.So again, we have to use X は Y です sentence structure. And then subject, さとみ。さとみは my friend. How do you say my friend? 私の友達。私の友達。The last one is a little bit long. My friend is a Japanese teacher.So, X は Y です sentence structure again. So, my friend is X. Japanese teacher is Y. So, X は Y です。My friend. How do you say my friend? In Japanese, my friend. Friend is the main idea. 友達。What kind of 友達? Whose 友達? 私の友達。私の友達は Japanese teacher. Teacher is the main idea. 先生。What kind of 先生? 日本語の先生。日本語の先生。私の友達は日本語の先生です。My friend is a Japanese teacher.We often use this particle not, so please remember how to use it. And be careful not to swap two nouns. The main idea is always after the particle not. That's all for today. Thank you for watching. ありがとうございました。